What is facilitation and why is it so important when it comes to engaging participants? So, all of us know the traditional teacher model, someone standing up in front of the stage, in front of the room, and speaking and having a lot of knowledge and having to get that knowledge out to everyone in the room. Facilitation is different. Facilitation is about engaging and getting room intelligence, bringing out everything that is there and all the minds in that room to achieve maximum results. It's about being a process expert and designing a process that will achieve the best goals. We've all been part of these meetings where there's lots of people in the room, but only a few are talking. And when it comes to events, when it comes to trainings, and when it comes to really anything, people want interaction. We're tired of being in a meeting or in a space and not actually enjoying it. We're tired of sitting and listening. We really want to take part. We really want to give our mind, our ideas, and make sure that it's accepted and valued. And we can talk about the empathetic way and why everyone should be heard. But when it comes to these meetings where there's executives or anyone on your payroll, really, or anyone in the room, if you are not engaging them and if they're getting paid a certain salary, every minute that you waste having them not interact is costing you a lot of money. So it's not only the fact that just it's a good idea to create interaction, but it's profitable. It brings in revenue and it brings in more benefit to you and your organization. Now, I want to give you a few stats just to set the stage. Just in America alone, on average, people spend 8 hours a week in virtual meetings. Did you know that 90% of professionals multitask during their meetings? And the number one reason why is because they're not engaged. So they're checking emails, they're doing other work, they're listening to YouTube or Facebook videos, they're doing all sorts of things, but they're not engaging. They're not there and they're not present. Over half of employees think that their boss needs to get better at facilitating meetings. So, while this course is about virtual tools that you can use to engage your audience, I also want to talk about the intention behind each process or methodology so that you actually know why you should use it. It's not just about throwing things up and getting people to do silly things or fun things for no reason. It's about connection, information gathering, innovation, or team building. It's about something that will help you achieve that end goal. And so you'll see me talk about that on each and every step and each tool that I cover.